Hi everyone, welcome to CodeTav Management. So today we will discuss today's Geeks for Geeks problem of the day. So the question is it a tree? So question is you are given an undirected graph of n nodes and m edges. Return 1 if the graph is a tree, else return 0. So example 1 is like n is 4 and m is 3 here and g is 0, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. So output is 1 here. So every node is reachable and the graph has no loops. So it is a tree. Okay. Next one is 4 and 3. So there in 4 nodes are there and 3 edges are there, right? So 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 0. So 3 is not connected to any node and there is loop 0, 1, 1 to 2. Okay. So it is not a tree, right? So here the expected time complexity is big O of n plus n and space complexity is big O of n. So let's discuss the solution. First of all, you need to try, and after that, if you stuck, then you can get help from here. So here the class solution is already there. So after that, the DFS method is there. So this line declares the private method named as DFS that performs the depth first search on a graph, and it takes a starting vertex as the S and adjacency list which is ADJ1 and an Boolean array which is BIS. So this is basically to mark the visited vertices. So after that we have marks the current vertex S as visited, and after that we are iterating over the neighbors of the current vertex S. So then we are just checking that the neighbor X has not been visited. So then it recursively calls that DFS method for the unvisited neighbor X. So after that, this public Boolean is tree, this method is there. So it checks if a given graph is a tree or not. So it takes the number of vertices n, the number of edges m, and the list of edges here. So after that, we are checking the condition for a graph to be a tree. So the number of vertices would be one less than the number of edges. So that's why which is p is n minus 1, right? So that's why if this condition satisfies, so then means this condition, if it is not satisfied, means it is not less than 1 or not. So then the graph is not a tree and the method returns the false. So here we are just checking the given condition is means given inputs is like a graph or a tree. So after that, we are just creating one Boolean array, which is VIS to mark the visited vertices. And after that, we are creating an array list of array list ADJ1, and which is being used to represent the adjacency list for the graph, initializes each array list. So after that, we are just populating the adjacency list by adding the edges to appropriate vertices, right? So here we have built this adjacency list. Next, we are performing the depth first search from the vertex 0. So after that, we are just checking if all the vertices are visited or not. So if any vertices is not visited, then the graph is not connected and the method will return the false. And if all the conditions satisfied, the method will return true, indicating that the graph is a tree. Okay, so this is my approach. So if you have any other approach, then you can also share, and just do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.